What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I'm over here in the car slash baby area, and I want to just point out a couple items that are new. This is such a great deal. This is the Driver's Choice Summer Blend Windshield Washer Fluid. You're going to pay $2 something or $3 something everywhere else. And this is the big 128 ounce bottle. Definitely run out to Dollar Tree, get it here. You're not going to find it anywhere else cheaper. And also brand new this week, we have the 3-pack of the Refresh Stress-Free Lavender little paper air fresheners. I have to say they're actually really cute and kind of non-air freshener-ish. If that would be a word. Also this week, brand new, we have the Never Get Hair Clogs again. I guess we just put this down our sink. I think I might need to get one of these for my house because my hair is always going down the drain somehow. Somehow it is. We'll just stick it here for now. I'm gonna think about getting one of those. And then let's see what we have over here for babies that might be new. I'm pretty sure these plates are brand new, and you get 2 in a bag, and they are BPA free. We have a variety of colors: blue, pink, aqua, purple. Pretty cute and brand new. And over here we have baby oil. This is actually name brand and not Dollar Tree, the Baby Love brand. Maybe not necessarily for your baby, but if you have a project or a reason to get baby oil, hey, maybe you do ASMR on TikTok and you need some baby oil for your chalk crushing, which is something that I'm actually considering getting into because I am currently obsessed with chalk crushing and I think I want to do it. Should I start an ASMR channel? Would you guys watch? Is that your thing? Or are you like, oh, you're just weird? But seriously, to everyone that may be watching that's into ASMR, no judgment for me at all because I love it and it really, really calms me down. I really love ASMR. But to those of you that have been with me for a long time, you guys know that about me. I've been loving ASMR for years and years and years. Oh, these are still here, you guys. These go for $20 in Walmart. If you need a little UV light, these are here, the little work lights. The decor globes. If you guys watched my last 2 videos, then you already know the amazing deal that's here. These go for $3.99 in Target, and they are here for $1. Okay, what do we have over here that I might want? I always like to check out the cleaners. We have the daily shower, the daily bathroom, Mr. Plumber, drain opener. We have our linen scent and country rain spray disinfectants. Our floor cleaner, I just got a bunch of Pine Sol at Dollar General from the clearance section, and I use coupons, so I got like 5 bottles of Pine Sol and 1 thing of vitamins for like $3 and some change, and they were the really big bottles, like 40, 50 plus ounces, not like monstrous bottles, but you guys know the ones. These are cute, the little spray bottles. I love the colors. Oh, these are so cute and little. So cute, and they have the little feet. We have a variety of sizes. What are these? Shiny Street, Cellulose and Silver Plus. So we get one sponge in the pack. Those are new to me. These little ones. Oh wait, is this 2? No, we get 2 in a pack. I love that shade of purple. The little bowls. Cupcake carriers. So cute. Aww. These little bowls. Bleach. Big dustpans. Little girls are so adorable. They're talking about don't eat so much tonight, then you'll have less left over. That is true, isn't it? They get it. Just had to see if we had any new candy. Tropical blends, sour punch bites. I melted some of these on the wax melt burner. They taste really good. I've also melted some of these. The cotton candy gumballs. And these. Bubble gum. 7 ounces. Little tiny squares of gum. What are these? These look like Valentine's Day. Classroom exchange. I'm so confused. Why do we have Valentine's Day candy right now? Ooh, look at the sweet strawberries. Those look good. We also have some summer themed saltwater taffy that's here. Biscolata mood crackers. Biscolata on the go. They have little writings on them. Doritos. Ooh. These are definitely brand new. Super crunchy. How many ounces do we get? It just says 10 by 10. Sandwich cookies, 0 trans fat. 3 grams of saturated fat per 2 cookies. The Sonic slush bars. My store had Nutri-Grain bars last week. I bought about 5 of those last week. I think we finished 1 box so far. The store is really well stocked over here. Fabric softener, laundry detergent. A lot of you guys tell me that you really like the purple bottle. Okay, so last week when I was here, I wonder if they're all gone. I got some of the Premier protein drinks. The flavor was blueberry oat, and they were really good, and it looks like they're all gone this week. I mean, you really can't get them anywhere else for $1. Even Walmart, if you buy their box of them, you're still going to be paying more than $1 each. We have Life Water. Cute bottles. Look at this little one. Little dog. Cranberry juice. We have Rockstar Energy up here. We even have sugar-free. We have the Caffeine Kick Hints. Rippets. Stacker 2s. We have the Hydros. More Hydros. We have a Buffalo energy drink. This is my first time I've ever seen the Buffalo energy drink. Serve chilled, taurine-free, classic, lightly carbonated, 110 calories per can. Oh my gosh, these are so good. Very, very sweet. Definitely has a kick to it. Very cotton candy-ish. I really enjoyed mine. There's 0 sugar in this. Cotton candy. I think I'm gonna get one again. I really liked it. What else do we have? Anything else? We have grape juice. Only 5% grape juice though. The cran grape contains 15% real grapefruit juice. We also have the Welch's sparkling soda. You guys already know about those. Less than 1% real juice on those. But it's always nice to see name brand juices in here. These are the 100% juice, which means this counts for a serving of fruit. The Welch's apple juice. We have Sunny D. We have green tea, Arizona green tea. The 4-pack of Nestle Splash. The 6-pack of the little Nestle Pure Lifes. The sparkling ice drinks. The little Hug fruit barrels. We have Propel water, Powerade water, Icelandic Fiji. We have coconut water. We have Pumex and Azul. We even have little Martinelli's in apple grape. We have Jarritos. Iced coffees. Sodas. Yes. Lots to choose from. And it looks like we have our regular ice cream sandwiches and ice creams over here. I'm not spotting anything new for the week. So hey you guys, on that note, I'm gonna decide whether or not I wanna film anything else here in Dollar Tree. But I definitely had fun bringing you guys along. I hope you had fun coming along with me and seeing a lot of new items for the week. You definitely have to go to Dollar Tree at least once a week so you don't miss out on the new items and the name brand items and the stuff that you're super shocked that's here. I mean, unless you come and look, you will never find them. Anyways, you guys, I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.